Jillian, the Comics Reporter, we just boarded, we dock. We're gonna have our little drill out on the deck. We put our lifeguard jackets on and everything. We haven't quite scoped out the ship, but it's been kind of fun because we're walking around and they're like, Jolene, hey! And like, hey, I met you last year. And it's just, it's fun, when Kelly and I talk about being celebrities, we're kind of not kidding. And there's definitely like a lot of returners, and it's fun. Let me show you around a little bit. This is not normally out because we're just boarding, but different places to eat, and there's like the fried bar, and then inside there's food. So this is like the indoor. So like last year, it was like really windy, and I don't know, there was some different weather, so they were able to cover this up. We can have a party. So we're walking along in the spa. Hello. Okay, so we're in the gym. I hope this doesn't cost extra because I really do need to get back in shape here. Oh, cool. Little fake grass out there. Nice. Because my workout last year was definitely on the dance floor. Might be good to do some little upper body action as well. Boom. So we're just getting on the cruise for the Soul Train, and we're at the corner room here. Knock, knock. Hello, hello. So we heard that the rooms were bigger.
Hi, welcome. Welcome to our humble abode.
Look at this room.
Isn't it awesome?
So what the deal is, we can move around. Yes. We can walk. We can do jumping jacks.
And I suspect because of the influence on the past cruise that we had.
Yes, the presence that we had.
Yes, and that we've officially received our celebrity cabin.
Oh my goodness,
and
this is crazy.
We're very excited.
Can you take us to the bathroom?
Sure.
Oh, this is amazing. This is incredible. And those who haven't cruised before, this is huge.
This is huge by any standard.
Oh my gosh. Look, it's handicapped. Like, that is incredible. So for those who have not been on a cruise like last year, we couldn't walk. We could not walk. So, and I had we both had,
especially with our bags, we were like right on top of each other, right?
Yeah. And we could scoot like this, right? And we could kind of go laterally, little basketball moves, right? But this is like crazy. We could lay out all of our dresses and stuff. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable.
I talked to it. We'll be with Atlantic Star. So today, all access pass live TV interview at 5:30. We'll be with Atlantic Star. That will be hosted by Doug Banks. That's the rendezvous on deck number 4.
All right, we're starting out here. Let's see if we can warm up the crowd. There's Kelly. There's Kelly doing her thing. See you in a few days when I can post on one of the islands. I think it's not even 1:30. So we haven't even seen actually the boat yet. Ooh, looks like a Julie. Lovely. This looks like quite a nice ship. We haven't actually had a chance to look around that much yet. So Dougie Fresh was going around saying how old people are. And people are mostly 60 and 70. Pretty funny. So it's kind of dwindling down. It would really just said Seattle's in the house.
Where you from? Where you from?
Okay, so I'm getting kind of tired, but this is kind of what the landscape looks like.
Ain't no party like a West Coast party, 'cause the West Coast party don't stop. Ain't no party